The Indian Constitution, one of the most detailed and well-structured in the world, lays the foundation of governance, rights, and responsibilities. Today, we explore some of its most important articles. Let's begin with the core principles of justice and equality. Article 10 defines citizenship and its regulation by Parliament. Article 15 prohibits discrimination based on religion, race, caste, sex, or place of birth. Article 16 ensures equal opportunity in matters of public employment. Article 17 abolishes untouchability, reinforcing social justice. Article 20 protects individuals from arbitrary conviction and punishment. Article 21 guarantees the right to life and personal liberty. Article 29 protects the cultural rights of minorities. The Constitution also defines the structure of governance. Article 52 establishes the office of the President of India. Article 60 defines the oath of office for the President. Article 65 specifies the Vice President's role in case of a vacancy in the President's office. Article 74 mandates a Council of Ministers to aid and advise the President. Article 75 defines the appointment and tenure of the Prime Minister and ministers. Article 77 governs the conduct of business in the Government of India. Article 80 defines the composition of the Rajya Sabha, which is the upper house. Article 81 defines the composition of the Lok Sabha, the lower house. Justice is the backbone of democracy. Article 124 establishes the Supreme Court of India. Article 143 grants the President the power to seek the Supreme Court's opinion. Article 200 governs the assent of bills by the Governor. Article 226 empowers high courts to issue writs. Article 250 grants Parliament the power to legislate on state matters during emergencies. Article 300 defines the legal proceedings against the government. The Constitution also ensures social and economic justice. Article 40 directs the state to organize village panchayats. Article 44 advocates for a uniform civil code. Article 50 ensures the separation of the judiciary from the executive. Article 55 defines the manner of electing the President. Article 90 governs the removal of the Deputy Chairman of Rajya Sabha. Article 95 defines the procedure when the Speaker and Deputy Speaker are absent. Article 100 governs voting in Parliament. Article 108 defines the procedure for joint sittings of Parliament. Article 112 defines the Union Budget, also known as the Annual Financial Statement. Article 111 governs the President's assent to bills. Article 123 grants the President ordinance-making powers. The Constitution also provides for special commissions and final provisions. Article 149 defines the duties of the Comptroller and Auditor General. Article 153 establishes the office of the Governor for each state. Article 338 establishes the National Commission for Scheduled Castes. Article 338A establishes the National Commission for Scheduled Tribes. Article 350 ensures linguistic minorities can seek redressal in their language. Article 395 repeals the Government of India Act 1935, marking the final transition to constitutional governance. The Indian Constitution is more than just a document. It's the guiding force behind the world's largest democracy. Which article do you think is the most impactful? The Indian Constitution, a legacy of justice and governance,